PlanningPoker is a variation of the wideband Delphi method. It is a consensus-based relative estimating technique used to estimate the sizes of the PBIs, or user stories, by means of planning poker cards. To start estimating PBIs with this technique, each participant is given a set of planning poker cards. Each card in the set contains a number from a sequence of numbers. The numbers on the cards represent the relative sizes of the PBIs. For example, if the team uses story points as their estimation unit, the card with the number 2 represents 2 story points. As all participants receive a set of cards, the product owner or person with a similar role explains the intent and value of the PBI about to be estimated. The participants ask any questions and discuss the details of the PBI. After the discussion, participants privately select the planning poker card that represents their estimate. Making individual estimations prevents group thinking and avoids group pressure. Once all participants have picked a card, they reveal their cards at the same time. If everyone selects the same card, there is consensus, and the number on the cards becomes the PBI estimate. If the estimates differ, the participants who made the highest and lowest estimates describe the basis for their estimations, and the team re-engages in discussion. After the discussion, the participants proceed to a second round to re-estimate the PBI, and the process repeats until consensus is reached. Note that the sequence used in our example planning poker cards is the Fibonacci sequence, which is the most commonly used sequence in planning poker. The Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. There is a good reason for using a set sequence of numbers instead of simply using numbers in order. In the Fibonacci sequence, the smaller numbers are closer to each other, such as 1 and 2, while the gap between the numbers grows as the sequence continues, such as 8 and 13. Smaller numbers allow more accurate estimates on smaller, detailed PBIs. As larger numbers are more widely spaced, they allow rougher estimates on larger PBIs without many details. Some teams modify the Fibonacci sequence a little and use the following sequence by adding a card with an infinity symbol, which indicates that the PBI is too large to be estimated, and a card with a question mark to signify that the estimator does not understand the PBI. With that being said, let's take a look at the ultimate tips for exam success. The Fibonacci sequence is the most commonly used sequence in planning poker. Planning poker is a variation of the wideband Delphi estimating method. Know the steps involved in estimating the sizes of PBIs with this technique.